welcome to my other video. Then I'll show you something, guys. So this is our backyard.
Yeah.
See, and this is my brother right here. Is dumb and stupid at the same time.
Yeah, stupid ass.
Who told you that weird? It's nobody. And this is our little kitty cat right here.
But he's relaxing.
He's like famous. Like, oh yeah.
He's relaxing like an ask.
Where's Princess? Oh.
Princess is stick.
Oh.
You idiot cat! I'm gonna rob you.
It's like no. Oh, this is our dog, Princess.
But he is stupid.
Then this is my dear Postal hamster. But they just leave it outside and just dead and just have that. And my turtle is dead too because I didn't put water. And my brother's fish died because his mom didn't put any water or food in it.
And I hate my mom. Stupid. So stupid.
But the good part is,
The cat is not there.
no, how do you say it? Why you just eat the cat? Oh my god! I want that hat. Did we just have that in TV? Did we just have that in the video? Let's do that again. That was epic. I didn't know we saw that. I didn't know you guys saw that, but. Did the dog? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This dog really wants to kill the cat. What the hell? What is it? Oh my god, this dog is crazy. I'm in just in the bright sun.
The sun, you have to throw the freaking.
Why did you just throw the toy there? Last time I posted I have a Woody toy, and I always just like throw it up there, like or in the tree, and always get stuck. Then I just have like a really long stick. Then I just get it. Why do you just throw your toy next to the other house? Stop! Oh my god, stop! And this is where our clothes get like clean. And this is supposed to be my brother's mom's house, but it's just an RV.
Yes.
They already got a new one, but I
On
don't.
the floor.
What is that?
It's blue.
How does black? It's black that means it has red. That's water.
And you know, guys, princess eat cats.
True. When I like how when Princess says like this, when you say Princess eats cats and Princess like this, look. Princess like this, look. Princess like this, then Princess like when you say eats cats, Princess like this, like opens his head. I have no idea what it is.
Guys, wait.
Ew.
Super idiot. This is something cool to show you.
Like what?
Cat, but that's super epic.
We mean from Epic Games. I need a meme called Epic Games. Where's the Epic cat?
It's the cat.
Oh, we're here. See it?
Sit on it.
I didn't see it.
I got it. Look at Richie.
Wait, look, it's just cows. Run. Run! Just stop me. My brother has a cat. This is chasing him. I'm choking. Run! Leave that dog. Run! Run behind you! Run! Oh crap! Oh my god!
You saw that, you guys?
Oh god, yeah. I did.
That was epic.
Oh my god. I'm scared of the dog.
The cat is crying. The cat is crying.
Give me a shot, the cat.
You wanna dang it?
Run! Fast as you can! What is that? What was that? Oh my god! I didn't know. You got that in video?
Get the freak cat!
Oh my god, the cat!
You're dummies! The cats are in the RV!
And the RV not even on it. How are you gonna get this? What?
That is a sword.
Guys, don't hold this and at home when you see this, it's dangerous. Dad, that looks like a horror movie knife.
It's for Michael chasing.
No, you're getting the cat because I didn't, because you put it in the floor. So you're gonna get it. I will never get it. Only you because you throw the cat.
Guys, look at the gallina. Look at the gallina.
Oh yeah, look, this is my grandpa's birds. I can't. Stop! Oh my god, we need to like to hit, and we get 20,000 likes, we need to torture this dog right here. We can't get 20 likes, I mean 100 likes, we can kick this dog every day. I wish we could have 100 likes because this dog just likes cats.
Ow!
Throw it! Just throw her!
Like this?
Oh my goodness! You're under arrest, little bastard hoe. I have no idea how long this video is gonna be, but who cares anyway? Looks so beautiful. That doesn't work, the car.
But what the fuck is that?
Look at the cat got out! The cat got out! The cat got out.
The cat was...
Wait, did it? What the hell? Is it still there?
No, he disappeared.
What the hell? Oh, I see.
What the fuck, guys? Subscribe.
Subscribe. Over here, look.
Over here, what the fuck? Wait.
Come on there. You found the cat, you get the cat. Like and subscribe, or now you're gonna do that to the dog. Peace out, sisters. Bye.